Mnazika, the word Afrikaner has been said so many times these days.
Afrikaners.
Afrikaners.
Afrikaners. Afrikaners.
Afrikaners.
White Afrikaners.
Afrikaners.
I'm sure baningi abantu abazifanele njengabo abakhule bazi ukuthi ulwimi lesibhunu aka Afrikaans lize nawo amabhunu. Only to find out recently ukuthi akusumhlaba kuphela abawutshontsha. Batshontsha baze batshontsha lona lelimi abalikhulumayo. Ungathini mangakutshela ukuthi the original Afrikaners bekungasabelungu. Hlala phansi uthi ngikutshela. Awuthi sibuyele kuma-1600s, i-Dutch East Indian Company yayenza ikoloni khona la eCape. Iletha igqila aka ama-slaves from India, Indonesia, Madagascar nakhona East Africa. Izigqila aka ama-slaves wayengakhona ukukhuluma isiDutch, bekufanele bathole indlela yokuthi bangachumana nawo abagqilazi babo. So what did they do? Baphula ilimi lesiDutch mabaqeda balichuba nawo ama-languages wabo. They added clicks, local flavor and soul. That became the early Afrikaans. Into ehlekisayo ukuthi kwakungebona belungu abenza ukuthi i-Afrikaans ifike kulezinga ekulo khona manje. Abantu abakha amakhwe aka Khoi namasan ama-Cape Malay nezinye igqila ezazithathwe khona la e-Africa. They shaped the structure, the sound and the slang. Even the first Afrikaans Bible that was printed in the 1800s used the version of the language spoken by the people of color at the Cape. Kodwa njengomhlaba ama-minerals ngisho ney'nkomo nolimi labo nalo balutshontsha. The white Afrikaners took Afrikaans, cleaned it up, removed its tainted roots and claimed it as their own. Benza i-Afrikaans an official language ngesikhathi sayi-apartheid. Basebenzisa i-Afrikaans njengesikhali se-oppression. Khumbula 1976 where abomama bethu nabobaba bethu bashona basasebancane belwisa yona indaba ukuthi abafuna ukufundiswa ngaye Afrikaans. Into ebuhlungu ukuthi lolo lwimi lakhiwa yithi. So mntazikaya mawuzwi Afrikaans, don't just hear whiteness, hear resistance, hear survival, hear voices of our ancestors speaking through a language they helped create, even in chains. Truth is, Afrikaans does not belong to one group. Its roots are mixed and its history is stolen. It's time to reclaim proper history, just like the land and just like our pride.